Uranium stocks are down sharply today. Some of them even having a mini crash, especially the Aussie uranium stocks. What's going on? What's the reason behind it? And most importantly, what do we do now? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days and weeks. My name is Daniel Helmy, head of trading here at Bull Markets Lifestyle. I'm at an investment conference in Midtown New York right now. I don't know if you have ever seen what these conferences look like. Let me give you a glimpse at one of the main ballrooms where the presentations are taking place. So this is what it looks like. And right now we are on a short break of the presentation of the company, so that gives me a chance to record this video. Let's jump right into the charts. So this is the chart of the global X Uranium ETF, and you can see we're down over 3%. Whoa, what is going on? Well, what is going on is what you see in the charts here. You see that it broke this uptrend, which led to a sell-off. However, no reason to panic. As you can see, we're above the 200, which is this purple line right here. We're reaching a major support zone. This is the first area of support, and as long as we're above it, we are bullish. It's a pivot zone, as you can see if we roll out. So this goes all the way back. Now we are seeing a sell-off pretty much everywhere. This is Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. Again, same thing, right? We bought this, we broke through the support zone, we sold off. This is the first thing, this is likely stops that were placed there by retail investors. We need to remember, when we talk about uranium stocks, it is 80% driven by retail investors. How do retail investors invest? They invest on momentum. They almost never invest on fundamentals. As you can see, if you look at the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust right now, ever since we rejected this resistance zone and the 200, for the past 2 weeks, we have been going down. Momentum is negative. What do the retail investors do? They sell, panic. There are no fundamental reasons to do it. The bull case hasn't changed, as we all know. It has improved significantly. So what does that mean? This means this is a buying opportunity for us. Now we wait. We wait, for example, if the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust will come all the way back into this support zone right here, buying opportunity. We look at Boss Energy getting absolutely shellacked today. The Aussies, woo! Down almost -8%, but it's reaching the support zone. If it gets to the middle of the support zone or the lower band, buying opportunity. Next Gen Energy. This one doesn't look so good at all. It had a huge run up because it's a very popular stock with the retail investors. Great uranium project. I never met the management personally. I know a bunch of managements from the uranium companies. This one I do not know. But from what I hear and read, great project, management, rather average. So it broke the 200 today. Obviously it's selling off, but you can see this one has a lot more to go down until it reaches the support zone. So we're in no hurry to buy this here. UEC, Uranium Energy, full disclosure, I've been invested in this company, I think since 2020, so for a long time. This one looks way better, as you can see, right? It's still above the 200, the purple line. It's still above the broken downtrend. This would be a retest. We have a double support here with this horizontal support zone. This would be a great support zone where we can enter Uranium Energy. And let's look at one of my favorites that I'm not invested in, but am interested in buying. This one looks quite interesting. Energy Fuels, as you can see, we're reaching the long-term uptrend, and it's a double support because we have this support zone right here as well. And you see, again, broke the 200, sharp sell-off. Who sells off? When the 200 breaks, even though the fundamentals are bullish, it's the retail investors. So it's the same story over and over. But this is the great thing for us. The majority of the retail investors, the badly informed retail investors, they're always wrong. They're always on the wrong side of the trade. So the big advantage we have when we invest in smaller companies or in sectors like uranium that are at the moment primarily dominated by retail investors, we can use that to our advantage. This is a buying opportunity for uranium. We might have a couple of more weekdays. Probably nothing is going to happen until the election is fully decided. But then, especially if the oil price goes up, the uranium story will pick up again. It's only a question of time. It's not a question if, it's only a question when. We hear the next announcement of big tech inking deals with nuclear energy, and then the uranium stocks will be running. This is a long-term trend. This will take a long bull market to play out, and we will make a lot of money. But the key is to grab these opportunities of weakness. And they are coming now. We're getting into important support zones that are great buying opportunities on many stocks that we have been waiting for a while. So we are not panicking right now. Instead, we are using this pullback as a buying opportunity to go long in uranium. Miners, again, you want to get into the producers or the very advanced explorers. The explorers itself and the grassroots junior explorers, all these companies that are 10 years out of production and are basically hoping that they get taken over for a premium at some point. Their time to shine will come later. They're not moving right now. We are looking at the stocks that will be moved in the first wave of this new uranium bull market, which will be the producers. Have a great day. Talk to you later. I got to get back to my conference.